Politotti. A judge hands down a 43-year prison sentence today to a killer convicted a second time.
David Dooley murdered his co-worker Michelle Mockbee in 2012. Anjanette Levy tells us what her family has to say and why Dooley will be back in court soon.
Commonwealth of Kentucky versus David Dooley.
David Dooley didn't say anything during his brief sentencing hearing for the murder of Michelle Mockbee, but Mockbee's family had a lot to say.
43 years in prison is just not enough for the act of pure evil.
Since her sister's murder on May 29, 2012, Jennifer Schneider has spoken for her family. Mockbee had 2 young daughters, Carly and Madelyn, and a husband, Dan, along with 3 siblings.
Michelle was such a huge part of our family's lives, and now we're left with a tremendous void since she is no longer with us. The constant sadness and anger of losing Michelle in such a brutal manner will always remain with us.
One of Mockbee's close friends spoke about missing her and how the murder has impacted her to this day.
From that day forward, I have not felt safe. I don't feel safe by myself. I don't feel safe at home. And I most certainly don't feel safe when I walk into my job.
Mockbee was murdered at work the day after Memorial Day in 2012. Prosecutors said Mockbee had discovered Dooley and his wife were cheating on their time cards, a point Dooley's attorneys conceded at trial. But they said that Dooley did not kill Mockbee. The case against Dooley was based mostly on circumstantial evidence. Mockbee's family is convinced as ever the right man is behind bars.
We're just happy that it's over with, and I know there's an appeal that's expected, but it's not going to go anywhere.
In a separate case, Dooley is accused of using a minor in a sexual performance. That allegation involves a woman he knew in 2007 who is now in college. Dooley's attorneys say he's innocent of that, as well as a child pornography possession charge he faces. Those trials could be held this summer. Rob?
And Jeanette, thanks very much. In Kentucky, prisoners are eligible for parole after serving 20 years. And since Dooley has been in prison for nearly 7 already, he could have a shot at freedom in 13 years.